program for the government of Jamaica is tabulated at $80 billion, Madam Speaker. And this year I'm very pleased by the fact that one of the highest allocations is to the Ministry of Health, $11.5 billion to support the construction of 3 hospitals at the same time. $3.4 billion to construct the Spanish Town Hospital, to commence civil works at Greater Portmore and St. Jago and Old Harbour Health Centres. $5.8 billion for the finishing of Cornwall Regional Hospital, and $800 million to facilitate ongoing activities in the construction of the Western Adolescents Hospital. And of course, the UWI project, for which the Prime Minister and the Minister of Health broke ground, is allocated $481 million. We're going to have a modern, 6-story hospital on the UWI ground, something that we have never thought possible before. And you know, I said 3 hospitals, but it's really 4. Because it's Cornwall Regional Hospital, it is Spanish Town Hospital, it is Western Adolescents Hospital, Madam Speaker, and it is the University Hospital of the West Indies. That could not happen without macro stability. Physical infrastructure, $6.3 billion allocated to complete the Southern Coastal Highway project, $10.2 billion for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. And very excitingly, as we move to national security, we will be allocating $882 million to commence construction works on the Westmoreland Police Divisional Headquarters. This is the Westmoreland Police Divisional Headquarters that will be under construction this year. $990 million for the St. Catherine North Police Divisional Headquarters at the same time. In the Ministry of Transportation, we are making allocation of $2.6 billion for the delivery of 100 new buses which are on schedule to arrive before back to school. We are leveraging stability to improve people's lives. Madam Speaker, we are allocating $916 million for the procurement of 50 garbage trucks for the people of Jamaica. This is a government that is using economic stability, leveraging it to meet the needs of the people. A government that listens, responds, and acts. We have heard from the citizens of Jamaica, poll after poll places the conditions of the roads at near the top of the list of priorities. We share the shared prosperity through accelerated improvement program SPARK, and we said from then a $40 billion allocation across 2 fiscal years. There's never been a larger road rehabilitation program financed with Jamaica's funds. Spoke about it last year, and I'm pleased to announce that we have made the allocation this year. In the capital budget, we have allocated $20 billion for the implementation of the SPARK program to address the conditions of roads in Jamaica. We have an allocation expecting new public investments to be approved for implementation during the year. But to give us the best chance of executing capital expenditure at the budgeted level, we will be revising, amending, optimizing our procurement and public investment processes. We won't stop there in attempting to maximize the use of CapEx space. What we'll also do is to develop a portfolio of public investment projects above and beyond the aggregate allocation, Madam Speaker, for the year. This gives us the option of substituting, hear what I said? Substituting in the event event a public investment project execution falls behind. We are determined to maintain and leverage the macro stability in the interest of the Jamaican people.